Hi students, I want to show you something that will help you get ready for your final reading test that is coming soon. On your final reading test, there will be a map similar to this one. There will be a story. You will have to read the story, look at the places in the story, and find where they are. Okay, so read the story and try to think about where are each of these places here. So let's look at the map first. We have Evergreen Way, that's a street name. We have Broadway, we have Madison Street, we have Pine Street, and Commercial Avenue. Okay, so look at the map first on your test. And then we have two places listed already. We have the drugstore here, and we have the laundromat. But in the reading test, you will have to find these places here. So read the story. And also here is north. Okay, do you remember we have north? So for example, north of Madison Street would be here. South of Madison Street would be here. Okay, and then we have west and east. Okay, so this is west of Broadway over here. This is east of Broadway here. All right, so let's read the story and look for the places. Okay, this is my neighborhood. The police station is on Broadway in front of the laundromat. And you think, oh, the laundromat is here. Okay, so the police station is on Broadway. Here's Broadway in front of the laundromat. So the police in front of the laundromat. The police station is here. Okay, so there's B. The supermarket is across from the police station. Supermarket is across from, remember we need a street to use across from. So if this is the police station, the supermarket is across from the police station. So here's the supermarket, F, okay? The bank is on the northeast corner of Madison Street and Broadway. So look for Madison Street and Broadway, and it's on the north. So this side is north and east is over here. Ah, it must be here. So this is the northeast corner of Broadway and Madison. So there is the bank, is C, okay? The post office is between the bank and the bookstore. So here we have the bank, which is C. The post office is between the bank and the bookstore. So post office, bank, which is C, and then we have post office is between the bank and the, what did I say? Oh, no, I'm getting confused. Bookstore is E right here. The library is on the southwest corner of Broadway and Pine Street. So look for Broadway and Pine right here. Broadway, Pine. The post office, oh here, sorry. The library is on the southwest corner of Broadway and Pine. So south of Pine and west of Pine. So it's right here, H. Okay, the library is on the southwest corner of Broadway and Pine. I buy coffee at the coffee shop. Where is the coffee shop? It is next to the library. Well, we found the library, which was over here. H is the library, so here it is next to the library, right here, next to or beside. Across from the coffee shop is my favorite restaurant. So here's the coffee shop, G, across from. Remember the street is going to be in between. So yeah, across from the coffee shop is my favorite restaurant, A. So I hope that helps. You will be reading a story and finding the places on the map in your final reading test. Good luck, everybody. Please ask if you have any questions.